Okay, so let's talk about our workshops a little bit. We got some amazing workshops coming up that we're all really excited about. And these events, man, they're powerful because a lot of you have been to our live events where we've got 500, 600, 700 people in the room. These events are smaller, have 10, 12, 15 people in there. They usually sell out, so you definitely want to register early. But we want to talk just a couple minutes and tell you a little bit about what they're about. So, Allie, why don't you get us started? Talk about the segmentation workshop, the elite segmentation workshop that we do.
Yes, I'm really excited about this workshop. So I never come to Huntsville. So I'm driving down to be a part of this because you guys have such an incredible opportunity to make money that I want to make sure that you completely understand it. We're going to go over everything from how to understand and read your reports, how to get you to elite, how to keep you in elite. We're going to make game plans on what staff you should have in place, how to make sure that your staff is doing the right things to optimize the opportunity that you're being given with this new segmentation. And I am just really excited about all the opportunity that you guys have in front of you and that I get to be a part of teaching you how to navigate these new waters, but it is going to be some really good stuff.
Yeah, it's going to be amazing. This new comp plan coming up, people got to learn how to maximize that. There's no question about it. You really need to be excited about the things that are coming and the ability to make some serious money, especially in 23 and 24. Mm-hmm. So we're really pumped about that one. Joseph, why don't you talk a little about the coaching and leadership workshop that we do?
Well, I love the coaching and leadership workshops. We've been doing these for years. Now, these workshops are targeted for agency owners and even managers. So if you want to know exactly how to build your team, where to find awesome candidates, but then what to do with them when they come on board, how to onboard them to where they're not producing in 90 days or 180 days. No, they're producing the first week, the first month. We get them up and running quickly. So we're going to teach you how to staff your team, coach and develop your team, but also all around the business, from marketing programs, budgeting, running the operations of the agency, you name it, we cover it. And that again is a very, very small group of just owners, but also key leaders like myself. I was Craig's integrator, right? That would be a wonderful workshop to send your operations manager or sales or service leader to as well. So it's open for owners and managers. These fill up very, very fast because it's all about taking your agency to the next level. Come on down to the coaching and leadership workshop. You're going to love it. It's going to be a wonderful investment for your business.
Yeah, it's probably one of my favorite events that we do just because of the content that's there. And look, these groups are great because you're working with people that are like-minded. They're trying to do the same things that you're trying to do. And that intimate environment, we go over that content and really roll our sleeves up and go to work. It's a huge lift and help you get where you want to go. Brad, why don't you talk about the sales mastery workshop that we do?
Yeah, it's funny you say that's one of your favorites. So biasedly, my favorite is the sales workshop because look, sales drives the ship, right? We have, especially with the new comp plan coming out, we have to be pushing the envelope and raising the ceiling on what our production numbers really look like. And here's the beautiful thing about the sales workshop is, yeah, you can put people through training, and it could take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months to get someone up to speed, or you can send them to a workshop and in a day they develop in the same amount to the same extent that they would in 3 to 6 months, right? You take a salesperson who's maybe producing 20 to 30 items a month, and now after one day in the workshop of working with them one-on-one, developing their skill set and getting people on the phone, having the conversation, making the quote the right way, selling off the actual coverage and closing and overcoming objections, having their skill sets developed to where now, not only in one day, they can grow from producing 20 to 30 items a month to producing 60 to 70 items a month. Like, what better ROI can you have in that? I think the sales workshops, in my opinion, are the best because they have the most immediate impact and they can just change the game for you immediately.
Yeah, it's amazing when those people come and some of them are lacking confidence. Some of them, they don't really know exactly what to do. Some of them are doing things at a really high level, but they always leave so fired up, and the feedback that we get after those workshops has just been incredible. So you're right. That is a fantastic workshop itself, and it will help people get to that next level and do it a lot quicker than just going through the regular motions, in an agency. We take a lot of time that day and do a lot of role playing, kind of get them out of their comfort zone a little bit, which I think is really helpful. And a lot of development happens in that day. So yeah, those are fantastic as well. And look, we'd love to have you at any of these workshops. We enjoy having you part of the CWC family. If you want to take your business to the next level, if you really want to focus on something specific, to get there, come to Huntsville, come be a part of what we're doing. And you can register in the link below, and we'll see you soon.